Morning everyone, it's a Sunday morning, it's around about 6:45 in the morning, and today we're doing something different on Come Try With Me. We're going for a walk on the beach. On my way to fetch my daughter, just got here now, and so it's not fitness, we're not going to run anywhere we're just going to go and enjoy the sights of Nahoon Beach on a Sunday morning here in East London. So come with us as we go get active and go for a walk on the beach. Get a wet foot anyway. Hey guys, here we are at Nahoon Beach hanging with Gabby and Callan. Dragged them out of bed early this morning. Hello guys! Hello. Did you manage to get some sleep last night?
Yes, a little bit.
So we've actually been planning to do this beach walk for about 2 weeks, so eventually got it done. It's absolutely gorgeous down here in Nahoon. So if you want to get active, this is a good place to get active, go for a walk. Okay, there we go. 2.7 Ks, not exactly a long way, about 44 minutes of walking on the beach, and yeah, that was fun. Hey, thanks for joining us on this beach walk this morning. As I said, this channel is not just about running or swimming or biking, it's also about just getting active. Go check out traderouteactive.org and find out how you can get active and use their website for your events, and also buy some Trade Route Active gear. And every item you purchase, funds go, 100% of the funds go to children's charities in South Africa. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching this YouTube video, and to those of you who've subscribed and liked the video, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd appreciate it. It's enormously helpful. Always great to share some content with you, and there's more to come.